Hello and all, welcome. So here we are going to see how to update the EC2 instance that we have brought into CloudFormation stack, okay, through the IaC Generator feature. So we are going to update some of the configurations of that EC2 instance, like updating the security group inbound rules of HTTP and HTTPS, and we are going to modify EBS volume size and add additional tags that are required and mandatory. And then to do these activities, there are some of the prerequisites to complete this, like need to download that YAML file which IaC Generator provided, and also we have to have access to both EC2 Instance console access and access to CloudFormation console also. So let me jump into the CloudFormation console, AWS console. Like let's check. There are only one stack that we have created last time. So yeah, CloudFormation stack it is getting loading. Yeah, this is the one stack which we have imported from the existing EC2 instance through IaC Generator. Okay, so we are going to use this stack to update that EC2 instance. Okay, so first of all, let me download the template. Okay, so here is the IaC Generator, and there is only one template that we have created in the last demo. Okay, so that is the EC2 demo, EC2 template. Okay, so if you see here, it lists all the configurations of YAML and both JSON also we can able to see. I'm familiar with the YAML, so I'm going to download this YAML file. Okay, so I'm able to name it for understanding. EC2 demo, EC2 template. Okay, the CFT folder. I'm saving this one. Before jumping into the EC2 instance, let me open the EC2 console. As we have planned to do changes of instance security group, okay, and tagging and EBS volume, right? So if you see, there are some of the details basically for EC2 instance. What is the AMI ID it is running with, and the OS flavor, and all other general things we can able to see here. If you jump into the security tab, this is the security group which is assigned to this EC2 instance. Okay, if you see in this particular security group, there are only one inbound rule, that is SSH 422, which is required to connect EC2 instance of OS running with Linux. Okay, so we have downloaded the template. Let's open the template. Okay, this is the one we have downloaded from IaC Generator console. Okay, here it has all the resources as we discussed. I'm going to update security group first. Okay, here if you see, this is the security group resource block. Under this, it is part of this VPC ID. Okay, and security ingress rules are the inbound rules. In addition to this, I need two more new security group inbound rules. For that, I'm going to update the same format, port number 80 for HTTP, and then this is for 443 or HTTPS. Okay. So we have updated our template. It is stored locally on my computer. So if we jump into the CloudFormation console, okay, we can able to update centrally. So I'm going to use this option to update that EC2 instance. We are going to replace the current template. It is stored locally. So upload a template, choose a template. Okay. So lab CFT is the one we have updated. Okay. Likewise, every time if we upload from the local, it will by default it will store one of these three bucket. Then only it will update the configuration. Okay, it's a normal thing. I'm going to proceed next. So next, whatever the changes we wanted, we have already modified within the template itself. So we can review here, and here it will show the changes. Okay, let's see. So it is modifying the security group. This is the security group ID. It is only kind of addition. Okay, so I'm going to submit these changes. Let's see what will happen. See here, it is trying to update the configuration of that particular EC2 instance. Overall status of this CFT stack is update in progress. Update is completed. Let's jump to the security group console. Okay, as we have seen only one inbound rule previously. Okay, let's see what is in addition to this. I'm going to refresh this. I hope it should have those two security inbound rules here. If you see, we have provided port 80 and 443 for HTTP and HTTPS traffic inbound rule. Automatically, within the CFT itself, it updates the EC2 instance of the particular security group. So through this way, we can update whatever the changes and configurations that we wanted to have. So let's update EC2 instance of storage. Okay. If you see, this is the volume ID attached to this instance. Okay. And it has only 8 GB of volume size. Up to 30 GB is free to make through CFT. This is the EC2 volume resource. Okay. Enter here. We are going to update it as a 20 GB. Okay, saved it. New template. Okay. It's going to update the changes now. Let's see. Yeah, now it is not going to replace anything. Okay, it's just going to update the size of the volume within the same volume ID. Yeah, update is completed. This is the one attached here. So if you want to see on the main EC2 console also, you can able to see the same. Let's refresh the console. It will take only a few seconds actually. Okay, security storage. Yeah, the new volume size is 20 GB attached. Okay, likewise, when we create a EC2 instance, we have provided this name. All these key and values are automatically updated through CloudFormation. Okay. So if I want to recognize, identify the EC2 instance, either this is based on the environment like dev, prod or non-prod, or app one or app two, we can update the tag so that that is easy to identify the EC2 instance. So even for this tagging, we are going to update through CFT template. Okay, let's jump into the EC2 instance. This is the EC2 instance resource block. If we come down to the Yeah, we have only name and its value. So it is best practice to have environment and application name or the use case so that it is easy to update. Okay, so I'm going to provide like environment dev. Okay, and I need a few more keys. Keys department. Okay, value is security. Let's say for an example. Yeah, I think it was also not required, but yeah, let's complete this sentence here. So we are going to update this additional two key values. We made a changes locally. Again, we need to update the stack. Let's see what will happen. Okay, update the stack, replace current template, choose from local, same template. Update into the S3 bucket. And next, all three major changes are we declared within the template itself. Okay, let's go to update the EC2 instance. It is updating the EC2 instance tag details task. So yeah, update is completed. In the event also, yeah, complete a EC2 demo EC2 stack update is completed now. So if you jump into the EC2 instance console, okay, so let's refresh this EC2 instance. Come down, yeah. We have updated environment. Okay, this is the key values development and the department we have updated. This is part of a security team instance. Okay, likewise, whatever the configuration we wanted to make changes to particular resource, we can manage through CloudFormation itself. Okay, we have completed this demo successfully. Here, one major disadvantage, like we have made changes in the same template again and again. It is not having all the versions, right? If we want to roll back, if there is any issue occurs, it is difficult to make and keep all the copies of updates we made, right? So yeah, this is one drawback, but there are services available in AWS. We will see in upcoming sessions. Thank you everyone.